This video will show another longer example of using integration by parts. We want the antiderivative of the function x cubed times cosine x. So again, we're going to choose that u equals the polynomial part. U equals x cubed. V prime equals cosine x. And so u prime equals 3x squared. And v equals sine x. And so this integral will equal u times v, which is x cubed times sine x, minus the integral of u prime, which is 3x squared, times v, which is sine x dx. Well, now we get a second integral here, where we have to use integration by parts. Now in this integral, again, we're going to choose u equals the polynomial. So u equals 3x squared, u prime is going to equal 6x. V prime is going to be sine x, so v is going to equal negative cosine x. And so what we get then is x cubed sine x, the first term, minus, and then within the parentheses, we get u times v, so that is negative 3x squared cosine x, and then minus, but because of the minus in the integrand, we'll get a plus here, plus 6x cosine x dx. And so now what we get, we have x cubed sine x plus 3x squared cosine x, and then minus another integral where we have to use integration by parts. In this integral here, again, we'll choose u equals the polynomial part, u equals 6x, v equals cosine x, v prime is cosine x, so u prime is 6, v equals sine x. And so what we get, our first terms here, x cubed sine x plus 3x squared cosine x, and then minus, inside the parentheses, we have u times v, that is 6x sine x, minus the integral of 6 times sine x. Well, finally, that's an integral that we can perform using elementary functions. So what we get is x cubed sine x plus 3x squared cosine x minus 6x sine x plus the antiderivative of 6 sine x, and the antiderivative of sine is negative cosine, so it's negative cosine x plus c. And notice in this process, the advantage of choosing u equals the polynomial is that if you keep on taking the derivatives of polynomials, eventually they become constants, and that allows you just to integrate. And so once again, it would be worthwhile to take the derivative of this final term and verify that its derivative is in fact x cubed cosine x.